The holidays are just around the corner. Now is the time to think about how to use them to boost your online presence. Social media and Google are where most people are purchasing holiday gifts for their loved ones. If you don't have Facebook, Instagram, and YouTube for your business, you're missing out on some marketing gold. Let's all admit that 2020 was an unusual year. Businesses found some unique ways to market new ideas. Some companies even had to pull fan-favorite products because they can no longer finance them. To help boost your social media through the holidays, follow some of these trends and be sure to subscribe to us for more information. Use your story. Social media stories are essential when it comes to promotion. Videos or pictures can be viewed up to 24 hours before they disappear. This feature works because it connects you straight to your viewer, offering them a direct line of communication. Figure out which platform works best to reach your audience and get creative. Define your content strategy. Video is the mainstream. If you don't have that on your social media, you are missing out. Due to an influx of online activity during the pandemic, video is more important than ever. This is coupled with the fact that technology advancements are continuing to grow. There's little chance of things returning to text-based only anytime soon. Keep it mobile. Smartphones are here to stay, which means marketing has had to change to keep up with it. In today's world, people are always on their phone. It is important to make sure that the media they are viewing is yours. For the holidays, this is even more of a focal point for your business. Subscribe today to keep up to date on important information from our team. Contact us for a no-cost assessment of your online presence today. Call us at 407-334-9378 or email us at CosMarketingAgency@gmail.com.